Ready to take control of your team's knowledge sharing? With Whale, card creation is simple and intuitive. Start by giving your new card a clear name. Then, begin editing your card content with ease. Use our simple editor to craft clear messages for your team members. Organize all your data with numbered lists for greater clarity, or organize your content with clear bullet points to make things simple. Customize all of your text to ensure everything is perfect. Add images seamlessly to your content to highlight key concepts and add additional text to further clarify your content. Use tables to organize your content in an easy-to-digest format and combine it all with even more text. Upload your videos directly into your content to keep all of your content in one place and preview the video directly in your card. Add lively GIFs to make your content more engaging, and customize all of the elements with ease. Make sure your text is aligned and perfectly positioned. And just like that, you have created your perfect card. Whale makes creating engaging content easy to keep all your team members aligned. Try Whale today.